Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Beautiful, beautiful day out here in Southern Illinois. It's the 7th of November, and the temperatures are fantastic. Just finished up mowing the lawn, wanted to get it nice and tidy, picked up the leaves that have dropped and whatnot, and I'm going to be putting down some winterizing fertilizer. It's not specifically winterizer, but it's what I like to use in the period when we're putting our lawns to sleep. So it is the Simple Lawn Solutions Lawn Booster. It has nitrogen in it, just 6%, just a little bit. So it's not going to explode the top growth, but it has iron in it that's going to keep that fantastic green color in your lawn. But it also has micronutrients that's going to really feed the soil. And get it in a fantastic spot where once the spring comes and the temperatures get up there, it's going to take off and be able to really perform. So thought I would take you through how these work. This is a really simple solution, since the name Simple Lawn Solutions, on how an everyday homeowner that is just wanting to have a nice lawn can take their lawn to the next level. So kind of take you through how it works. So their products are sold on Amazon. I'll put a link down below to not only this product, but to all their products. And they're really easy to use in that they come in this spray bottle that you just hook your hose to the end of it and spray it out. The bottle covers 3,500 square foot. This one specifically does. And you can, if it's something that you like and you want to continue to use, they not only have it in this product size, but they also have it in gallon jugs that you can get it. And so really convenient and easy to use. If you use these bottles, I recommend that you save them. I save them. And then if you get the larger jugs, then you can just pour the product into this, and you've already got the applicator that has the correct output of ratio of product to water. To get it, where you're putting down the right amount. So one thing that I did want to caution everybody about this is the iron that's in it. So the iron is fantastic for your lawn to get it nice and green, but it's not fantastic for your concrete. So you can see here on this applicator where it has a position for where I'm putting out product, or where I'm putting out just water. So what you want to do is, and the approach that I always take is I put it out on my lawn, and then come back along the edges where some may have gotten onto my concrete, and just switch the applicator to water and spray those off really good, so it really kind of reduces the ratio of that product down, or it completely just sprays it off of the concrete altogether, and it keeps it from getting any type of rust spots on your concrete, because that is the last thing that you want, because then that involves a whole nother application of product to get that off of there. So let's go ahead and get it out on the lawn, and I'll show you how easy it is to put out. This, and by the way, this isn't like a commercial or anything like that. This is just what I do in the fall, what I like to use, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. This isn't an ad or a paid advertisement or anything like that. The links down below do give me a little bit of a couple pennies based off of your purchase, but it's just fantastic stuff that I really like to use specifically in the fall on my lawn. So let's get it out. Love that hose link. So easy to bring in the hose, put it out. But that's really it. You saw at the end there, I sprayed on the concrete, got all the product nice and cleaned off of there, and pretty easy to use. Check out the links below. It's a simple product to use, hence the name, Simple Lawn Solutions. They've got a wide range of products, whether it just be humic that you're wanting to put down on your lawn to enrich the soil, nitrogen, anything that you really are looking for. And you can really kind of put together a program of their products exclusively if you wanted to. As you know, I like to mix and match kind of things and try different things out. But that's really it. It's really simple. Spray it out. It's already water diluted, so you don't need to necessarily water it in if you don't want to. Just simple and easy to use. And then you'll have a fantastic looking lawn for the rest of the season and a fantastic looking lawn for the start of next year. So until next time, guys, love it if you guys gave us a subscribe so you can see all of our other adventures when we post them. Give us a like, leave us a comment on what you're doing in your lawn in the fall, and be sure to turn on that notification bell so you know when our next video comes out. Until next time, guys, we'll see you in the lawn. Bye bye.